to my YouTube channel. My name is Arija Niliola Bolale Victoria, and on YouTube I am AJOKE'S vlog. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with me over the years, even when I am not creating content. I'm so sorry guys, but if you're new to my channel, that is my name. You can call me Bolale, and you can also call me AJOKE'S vlog. And what I do basically is I create content for teachers teaching abroad. I mean, ESL teachers basically, because also I am a Nigerian living and working in China as an ESL teacher. So if you follow me on Facebook, I share stories about my students. Maybe someone leaked in, maybe I don't think I post content about my students on Instagram, but that's about to change. So what's the purpose of today's video? Today's video is about a self-introduction video for teachers who want to teach abroad. Now this is not just for Africans, basically it's just for people of all races who have plans in 2023 or anytime you're ready to move abroad as a teacher teaching ESL language. And this is not restricted to any age group or teacher of any age group. This works for all teachers of all age group, ESL teachers of all age group. Now, what is a self-introduction video? A self-introduction video is a video you use to introduce yourself, to tell your proposed employers in whichever country you have intentions of moving to about yourself. And your self-introduction video should include your name, your nationality, your qualifications, and all the certifications that you have. Now, if you want to be an ESL teacher, you probably know that you need a TESOL certificate, a TEFL certificate, or maybe a CELTA. Maybe also some countries accept CELTA, so you need those certifications. And if you have any other certifications aside the three that will boost your chances of getting a job, then it's okay to talk about them. Also, another thing you have to put in your self-introduction video is the age group that you teach. For me, basically, I am multidimensional. I've taught kindergarten students, I've taught primary school students, and presently I teach middle school students. So you can basically give an information like I am a kindergarten teacher, or I teach middle school, or I teach primary school or elementary school students. So those are the things you need to include in your teaching videos. And also you can also talk about your teaching style. What is your teaching style? Do you use games? Do you use audio visuals? Do you use kinesthetics in your teaching classroom or in your atmosphere? So those are the things you should highlight in your self-introduction video. Now let's talk about what are the tips that would help you have a perfect self-introduction video. Now the first thing I'm going to tell you, it's okay to record more than one self-introduction videos. I mean, you might record the first one, you feel something it's not okay, you do it again, and if you're feeling a little bit funky, you can edit your videos. And also another thing I want to chip in is also make sure that you do not record your video vertically. I mean, some people will be like, hey, hello, my name is... No, you cannot record your video as a selfie. You have to make sure your phone or whatever gadgets you're going to use, it's horizontal and it accentuates your face, makes your face really visible. And also just make sure there is natural lighting. I mean, you can use a natural lighting, you can have light, and make sure the background is not noisy. You're not in a noisy atmosphere, you're not in a place where the wall or whatever place will distract. I mean, you can just use a place in your living room, maybe your couch area, maybe your library, maybe your reading segment. Just make sure there is natural lighting, or you turn on the lights. Just make sure that people can see you. And also smile. You got this? See my beautiful smile and be confident. Sit in the front of the camera. On the moment, you are the man or the woman of the moment. own your moment, boo. Own your moment. So stay in your light, shine your light, and just be confident. Smile. It's okay. It's just you. Nobody's there. Just enjoy making the video. Another thing you have to do is open your mouth and speak clearly. Open your mouth and speak clearly. And maybe if it would help, try to speak slowly. I mean, I really don't think I speak really slowly, but open your mouth, make sure you're audible, and speak slowly and look presentable. Look presentable. I mean, it doesn't matter. Nobody sees what you're wearing, but maybe a shirt or a nice tee, and make sure your face is well made. You don't have to wear makeup. It's okay. You don't have to be so pretentious wearing makeup. Just make sure that you look good. You look good. If makeup is your thing, please go ahead and wear makeup. If makeup is not your thing, you can just put something. Just make sure your face is not ashy, your hands are not ashy. For people like me that likes to use their hands a lot, your hair is neat and everything is looking pink. Look work worthy. I mean, if you're walking on the way and somebody calls you, hey boo, I got a job for you, I want you to come over right away, what would you like to, how would you like to show up? So how would you like to show up? Then look like that in front of your camera while recording yourself introduction video. And also be at peace. Don't tension yourself. No pressure, no pressure, no pressure. Just be calm, believe in your abilities, and just own the moment. And I wish you all the best in your applications. I wish you all the best in whatever you do moving forward in 2023. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I am trying so hard to build a community of English teachers, or basically, maybe if you're not an English teacher and you think there's one or two things I could share in my journey as a middle school ESL teacher with you, please join my community. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment if you have questions about teaching abroad as an ESL teacher. Basically, I don't want to lie to you that I'm multidimensional. I don't do that. I only teach English language to middle school students. So if you want anything, or if you're also an ESL teacher living abroad or in Nigeria or any part of the world and you want to connect with me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow my Instagram page at AJOKE'S. I'm going to put all the details about how you can connect to me, and we can create our own little safe place on the social media. Okay, till next time. And if you want to ask me a question, or you want me to create any content on topics relating to teaching English or being an ESL teacher, basically, please leave a comment, send me a mail, leave a DM on Instagram, on Facebook, whichever. I'm available to create more content on topics or on issues arising and in my journey, or in our collective journey. This journey is my journey, is your journey, and I'm bringing you on it, and I hope you enjoy the ride with me. Thank you. See you some other time. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.